During the process of working as a sales manager at K Hair Factory, one of the questions I get the most is how Vietnamese hair vendors can collect so much hair for productions. In this video, I will answer your question for the first time so that you can better understand and trust the qualities of Vietnamese hair extensions. Hi guys, welcome back to K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. I'm Justin, sales manager of K Hair Factory. Vietnamese hair vendor, unlike many other countries that export hair, have the advantages of local material source. And also, as mentioned, the Vietnamese hair vendors only select raw hair from two most qualified sources, virgin hair and Remy hair. So the qualities of randomly chosen Vietnamese hair vendors has a high possibilities of being standard achieved. After you know the origins of the hair extension that you buy from Vietnamese hair vendor, I will show you the production process of Vietnamese hair extensions. Typical Vietnamese hair vendor. There are 9 steps in the productions. Cutting. All of our raw material are 100% real Remy hair that is cut from females in the same directions with the cuticle fully aligned, unprocessed and healthy. Removing to manufacture the highest quality hair extensions. Vietnamese hair vendor remove each short hair piece once at a time while maintaining the cuticle's uniform directions. Dyeing process. Vietnamese hair vendor maintain the hair's integrity at its highest, allowing the execute colors and long-lasting hair. We only lightly process and harm our dyeing. Grinding. Professional hair stylists working for each Vietnamese hair vendor maintain order in their job to prevent shedding and ensure that all hair grows in the same directions from top to bottom. Separating. Vietnamese hair vendor assign their employees to weight each hair grams precisely in accordance with the requirements of the order. Making weft. New technological triple and double weft can be pursued using 3 head machines, as well as they are stronger and more pleasant. Special hair care. Since Vietnamese hair vendor don't employ a harsh method, they have never had to cover up the harsh chemical process with silicone. Quality control or quality check. Before packaging, each strand of the hair that Vietnamese hair vendors provide will be measured, weighed, and checking once more. Packaging, PVC bags, cardboard box, and labels are used to package product according to client specifications. Hopefully through this video, you have gained more specific information about how Vietnamese hair vendor collect and produce Vietnamese hair extensions. If you find this video useful, please give us a thumb up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.